Hey there, if you're new to franchising, you might look at the different support fees a franchise charges and think, whoa, I was not expecting this. And I get it. When you're coming from the private sector, seeing fees for marketing, technology, training, or even ongoing support might feel surprising and you're wondering, why am I paying for this? But here's the thing. It's not just about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep. So think about that and break it down a little bit. If the support fees you're paying mean that your business is actually running more efficiently, you're spending less on customer acquisition, less on operational headaches, and God forbid, trial and error mistakes can cost a fortune, then guess what? You're actually ahead. If those same fees contribute to your business growing faster, bringing in more revenue, and keeping you from making really expensive mistakes, then you win. So that's the power of a strong franchise system. You're not just paying service fees, you're investing in results. You're investing in proof of concept. So before you let fees scare you, take a step back and ask yourself, is this helping me spend smarter? Is this making my business more profitable? Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you put in, it's about how much money you make, and more importantly, how much money you keep. That's what really matters. So please, if you are thinking about franchise ownership, I could talk about this stuff all day long. My name's Lisa Welko. I love helping people make smart, informed decisions in franchising. So if this resonated with you, let's talk. I hope to see you soon.